Dear friend, we are pleased to introduce ourselves as Jiangsu Westansa Yacht Company, a leading firm in the shipbuilding and manufacturing industry based in Jiangsu Province, China. With years of experience and commitment to innovation, we have established a strong reputation for crafting high-quality yachts that meet the diverse needs of our clients. At Jiangsu Westansa Yacht Company, we pride ourselves on our state-of-the-art facilities and advanced manufacturing processes. Our dedicated team of skilled engineers and craftsmen work tirelessly to ensure that every yacht is built to the highest standards of quality and performance. We understand that a yacht is not just a mode of transportation. It represents freedom, leisure, and a lifestyle choice for many of our customers. This understanding drives us to create vessels that are not only functional, but also aesthetically pleasing and luxurious. We offer a diverse range of yachts, from sleek motorboats to spacious sailing vessels, each designed with meticulous attention to detail. Our yachts can be customized to suit individual preferences, including layout, materials, and technological features. We believe that every client should have the opportunity to create their dream yacht, and our team is here to guide you through every step of the process, from initial design concepts to the final build. In addition to our commitment to quality craftsmanship, we also prioritize sustainability in our operations. We adopt environmentally friendly practices in our manufacturing processes and strive to minimize our ecological footprint. Our goal is to produce beautiful yachts that not only provide enjoyment on the water, but also contribute positively to the environment. To stay connected with our clients and showcase our latest projects, we invite you to visit our YouTube channel. Here, you will find a wealth of videos highlighting our yachts, behind-the-scenes footage of our production process, and insights into the yachting lifestyle. We believe that engaging with our audience helps foster a community of yacht enthusiasts and potential buyers who share our passion for maritime adventures. For inquiries or more information about our yachts, please feel free to reach out to Mr. John Clark at constank888@gmail.com. He would be delighted to assist you with any questions or to discuss how we can help you realize your yachting dreams. Thank you for taking the time to learn about Jiangsu Westansa Yacht Company. We look forward to the opportunity to work with you and help you embark on your next adventure at sea. Best regards, Jiangsu Westansa Yacht Company.